So here's how to get matches on Tinder. Keep in mind that if you have an interesting profile, it's much easier to get matches. But before we start, if you don't already have Tinder, you can click on my link down in the description. So as you can see, we're now in the Tinder application. Once you're here, you'll be able to see the potential matches and profiles on Tinder right here. You can swipe right to like them or swipe left to pass. You can also tap on the heart icon on the bottom to like them or tap on the cross icon. So once you swipe right or tap on the heart icon and the other person has done the same, it will show a message that says it's a match. And after that, if you go over to chats on the bottom, you'll be able to see their message box and profile. You can just tap on that and start texting. And that is exactly how to get matches on Tinder.